If you're new to day trading and you're trying to break into the industry, you're really trying to learn how to day trade futures, I'm going to tell you exactly how you should learn how to day trade futures. Now, this is a non-typical way of learning, but I fully believe it's effective. It really sets you on the right path to learning how to day trade futures. Some people might disagree with me on this method, but you know what? It is what it is. Be sure to like and subscribe to the YouTube channel to get more daily content, because we're putting out content every single day. And let's get into the video. So learning how to day trade futures. Where should you start? How do you learn? And what gets you started on the right path to day trading profitably? A lot of people are going to tell you to start with a simulation account. Well, I very much disagree with that method for one big reason. It does not teach you the emotional side of trading. You have no emotions attached to day trading in a simulation account. It's not real money, right? So you can put on max amount of size and not really care what it does. But if you have a little bit of risk involved, emotional risk, mental risk involved with the trade, that teaches you the emotional side of trading, the discipline side of trading. And the way to do that is, one, not putting your own hard money up at risk, but using a prop firm that you have a little bit of emotional attachment to. And they just put you through a monthly evaluation in order to get a funded account, but that evaluation has a monthly fee tied to it. So you're putting a little bit of money up to actually learn how to day trade. And that gives you some sort of emotional attachment. While it's not a big emotional attachment, whereas if you're putting your own money up, you still have a little bit of financial risk involved because you're buying the evaluation. And if you fail it, you have to keep buying it over and over and over again until you pass. So that does give you a little bit of risk on trading. Then where it really gets spicy is when you do get that funded account and you're actually trading to make money. When you're trading to make money, you have more emotional risk tied to your trades, because now you're in a funded account and the trades that you take do matter, because it's either going to make you real cash or it's going to make you lose real cash. So going from that evaluation where you had a little bit of emotion tied to it, now you've gone to a funded account where you have a whole bunch of emotion tied to your trading. And to me, this is just the best form of learning, is actually trading by doing in a real environment instead of simulation. That's the only way you really learn, because if you trade in a simulation account for 4 months, 5 months, well, you might get good at placing orders and getting good entries and exits, but you have no idea what the emotional side of trading is like. And so you hop into a real account with real money and then you just blow your account in like the first day or two or maybe week, because you had no idea what it was like to trade real money. So the best advice you could get to start learning day trading is to stop trading simulated accounts and actually just jump in. Just do it. If you decide to fund your own account with like $1,000, $2,000, that's on you. That's totally fine. You can use a prop firm, but you don't have to do that. But if you do decide to just jump straight in with $1,000, $2,000, you are going to learn that emotional side. So be sure to really take on small risk trades, like trading micros, for example, instead of minis, and just do small position sizes and just really focus on taking good entries, taking good exits, and taking your profits and getting out quick when the trade runs against you. At the end of the day, you're only going to learn by doing, and by doing in real live environments with real money tied to your trades. Now, with that comes the educational side. I always recommend doing the education while you are trading, because if you go to education first and then go into trading, you've learned all of this stuff and now you have to remember all of it as you jump into trading, right? Whereas if you jump into trading, now a lot of people might disagree with me with this, I don't really care, but if you jump into trading, say a prop firm environment where you have a little bit of emotional risk because there's a monthly fee, right? So if you jump into a prop firm and start trading, but also learning at the same time and going through the educational process while you're trading, you can start implementing what you learn as you are trading. And so you find what works for you in a much faster way versus learning and going through a whole educational background or course or whatever, and then hopping into trading. Do it at the same time, because that's going to speed up the process of you learning and allow you to implement what you learn at the same time. Now, the next best thing you can do is to journal every single day what you do, right? If you're going through a prop firm and you're trading, journal every single trade, why you took the trade, why did it go in your favor, why did it go against you, how did you react when it goes against you, how did you react when it went in your favor. Journal the entire trade process when you take a trade and study that. That is going to be your Bible, because that's going to tell you how you reacted in certain trades. It's going to help you identify certain patterns within yourself, your emotions, and your mental capacity in trading. You start to identify those things and it helps you work on them as you trade, right? Notice a common theme here. Everything that you are doing and learning how to day trade is happening real time when you are trading, not before you're trading, not after. It's all happening real time. That is the best way to learn this. It's to learn by doing. Be okay with failing. Be okay with blowing accounts because you're probably gonna, but learn as you go. Okay. Journal those trades, right? Watch YouTube videos, go through courses, all while trading, right? Maybe like one morning before market open, hop into a YouTube video or a course or whatever and go through it, and then start the trading morning at market open. And then once you take a trade, hop into that trading journal and journal exactly what trade you took, what happened, and how you reacted to basically what happened in the trade. Real-time learning is the best way to go about day trading futures. I'm sorry, a lot of people are going to disagree with me, but in my experience in seeing people trade, having students underneath me trading, they're learning as they're trading, and I've just noticed that it is the best thing for them because they're not having to remember everything they learned in the past and then jumping into the markets. They're doing it all real time, and it's helping them develop as traders and learn as they go and learn strategies as they go versus having to remember all the strategies that they learned from like a YouTube video or a course and before they jumped into the markets. So to me, that's the best way. If you disagree with me, that's okay. Tell me in the comments down if you agree or disagree. I want to know your thoughts. So if you like this kind of content, be sure to smash the like button down below. Subscribe to the YouTube channel if you want more daily content, and I will see you in the next video. Cheers.